Konnichiwa, and hello everyone. It's Adrienne Cully with Horizon International here at our Horizon Smart Factory 2024 event. And I'm going to explain to you the workflow of our AGV-Assisted Saddle Stitching solution. First and foremost, this solution is a collaboration between Horizon and two of our printer vendors. First, Canon with their image press V1000, and second, Konica Minolta with their Acurio press C14000. Both of these presses are feeding our saddle stitching solution through the use of special forklift AGVs. These forklifts are designed to fit perfectly in the delivery section of our presses and the feeding section of our finishing devices. On this section, in this solution, it happens to be our brand new HSF 50 high-speed sheet feeder. These AGVs are going to feed the system now, so if you come this way, you can see it happen in real time. Now, the solution with the AGV is actually more of a technology showing for our show that we are developing for the future. But in the meantime, we are also developing a more realistic workflow for right now that allows operators to easily deliver from our pile, from the delivery section of our printers to the feeding section of our finishing devices without having to use hard manual labor like lifting up piles by themselves all day long. Their backs have to be tired at this point. By the time our sheets are loaded, our HSF 50 is going to automatically raise up and start feeding our sheets at a maximum speed of 45,000 sheets per hour. We also have our cover feeder that's going to directly feed our covers into our system along with the sheets. Each sheet is also creased individually as it's being fed into the system to ensure zero cracking on the spine and the highest quality booklets possible. After our sheets are fed into the system, they're going to be accumulated and stitched, and then finally trimmed in our 3-knife trimmer on the top, bottom, and foredge. Our nice finished booklets are going to end in our Gamma 502HO Palomitas banding and stacking unit that was developed in collaboration with Palomitas, specifically designed for our finishing devices, which is why you see the HO at the end. Our nicely banded and finished stacks are going to finally end up at our robot arm right here, where they will be automatically palletized either onto a pallet or a table, in this case like we have today. When that is ready, an AGV will automatically lift it up, take it away, and bring in a new one. So you can see our automatic palletizing now. Amazing. We are so happy to be able to bring you the future of print finishing here in Japan and from the comfort of your home. Stay happy, stay healthy, and say it with me, finish first with Horizon. Bye.